Hello everyone, how to bold text in Excel. So let's start step by step. So here I select the one word accountant and go to the home tab. In font group, click on the bold option. And here you can see your selected text is bold. Now I select the another word and use here the shortcut key Ctrl B to bold your selected text. Now here I select the entire column. Now just press the shortcut key Ctrl plus B to bold selected text. And the second way, select the entire data, just drag with the mouse and select here entire data. And after that, go to the home tab. In font group, click on the font theme option. Okay. So here you can see different type of font is available. Here the showing the some font is bold. So you can use this font. So I select this font. Now here you can see your entire data in bold text. So this is a way you can use the font also to bold your data. So you can use the bold font specifically. So hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.